It's hot.
It's 27 degrees.
There are going to be people out there that will laugh at that and be like, that's not hot. It is hot for us. It feels hot.
Yeah.
And I know it feels like that's all we're talking to you about on like every video. Like we're just like, it's hot, I'm hot, I'm hot. So yeah, a lot of our content is about what to do when it's hot, what to eat, because it does have quite a big impact, I think, the kind of food that you make. And we have been eating a lot of fresh, summery breakfasts because no one wants a hot bowl of porridge when it's 20, 30 degrees outside.
A nice steaming bowl of oats.
Yeah, no, thank you. So we've come up with 4 very easy but very tasty, fresh, summery breakfast ideas. We think you guys are going to love them. There's a couple of toast type kind of toppings, which does involve a little bit of cooking, but not too much heat in the kitchen. And then we've got some... What else have we got?
We've got a really nice smoothie, actually.
We do.
It's right up your street because it's super duper pink.
Yeah.
I mean, show them the pink peonies that we got the other day. Look at that.
And we've got a pink smoothie for you. It's really delicious. But I think, seeing as we're going on and on about pink things, the first breakfast we will show you is our easy vegan raspberry smoothie.
Looked proper nice, if I say so myself. It tastes even better than it looks as well.
Tastes even pinker than it looks. So the next recipe is a little twist on the avocado toast, which we all know and love, I assume. If you don't, then what are you doing? But we're always thinking of ways that we can mix up our avocado toast, make it a bit different, make it a bit interesting, and also adding in protein.
So,
I'm going to say that protein?
Protein is one of the vital nutrients. Do I want to say about protein?
About the protein in it.
We've added some protein to this dish by whipping the avocado together with some silken tofu. If you're not a fan of tofu, don't worry. The taste of the tofu is completely disappeared. It just makes a lovely, creamy avocado texture, which is perfect to spread on some crunchy toast.
It really does.
I mean, it's toast, so it's easy and quick, and it's nice and fresh because we've topped it with some lovely summery tomatoes. So yeah, here's the recipe.
Recipe 3 is a little twist on porridge, and it's overnight oats. You know, we're not inventing anything new here. but we have come up with some nice little topping ideas, and an extra little thing that we like to do is mix in chia seeds with our oats. So a chia pudding is a thing. We tried it.
I'm not a huge fan of like just chia puddings.
Exactly.
Yeah, but it's a bit too like gelatinous for me. Like doing it with the oats adds a bit of texture back into it.
Definitely.
That's more my vibe.
And then we've topped it with some lovely fresh summery fruit and some nice nuts and seeds, and drizzled the good stuff on top, which is golden syrup.
The good stuff.
The good stuff.
Yes, so here is our recipe drizzled with the good stuff. And for our last recipe, we are back with another toast, because what says breakfast more than toast? We've changed it up from your regular sort of like jam on toast and gone a little bit more special with this. So this is much more of a sort of like weekend summer brunchy kind of thing. And it is griddled courgettes and vegan feta on toast, on chili jam on toast.
Chili jam. Well, so when you talk about jam, I was like, where's he going with this? It does have jam in it. We originally created this to be a toasty. So, I mean, you could still make it into a toasty, but sometimes it's just easier to put toast in.
But it's definitely not as hot as making an entire toasty.
Agreed.
It's like a cooler version.
Agreed. And the feta and the chili jam all kind of give it a lovely freshness and just something a bit different. We could come on here and give you 4 smoothie recipes, but I feel like there's a lot of smoothie recipes out there, you know, and we thought, do something different.
Yeah. So this isn't a smoothie, this is toast. Here's the recipe.
Yeah.
So that is all 4 of our summer breakfast recipes. You've got the 2 toasts, the overnight oats, and the smoothie. Let us know in the comments which one you think would be your favourite, which one you're going to try first.
We really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, we've got lots of other breakfasty inspo videos that you can click on now, and we will see you in our next video.
Bye.